and today we are going to be on the lathe. We're actually going to have a go at turning just a little egg. We might do a few, we might do a plain one, we might do a spalted one, a spalted beech one because spalted's really cool, and we might glue up a blank and do one out of maybe 4 different woods to see how that looks. So we're just going to give this a go. I feel like this is a beginner's project, so it would be great if you're new at turning. Also great if you've been turning for years because it just makes you practice with the tools. And these kind of little projects that I've started to do on the lathe do sell. So I know it's nowhere near Easter, right? But people will still buy them all year round. Chickens don't hide away for the rest of the year. So let's get on and turn these eggs. Let's go. I hope you do enjoy the video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and check out all my other videos. So let's go. so I did turn 3 eggs in the end. We turned a plain one, which is elm, a really nice bit of burr in it, elm. And then we turned a spalted beech one. And then we turned a walnut and ash one. This is actually the offcut from the penguin that I turned a few weeks ago, which the video is up on my channel, so if you're interested in how to turn a penguin, go and click on the link. I'll put it up here somewhere now. And this is also the bowl I turned just the other week as well, and they all kind of fit in this quite nicely.